Banyak perubahan dari segi attitude, sangat positif, balik baca doa, hafaz surah dengan jayanya memang best sangat. Dia baca lancar, dari segi matematik juga dia boleh congak je, tambah, tolak, dan saya happy dengan teachers, teacher Huda especially.
Starting from 3 years old, and I see the progress very good and excellent about reading, about the Safia attitude, and he like to do experiment after they learn in school and then they go home. Parents out there, I hope you can send your child to CIC any branch, because CIC can give the good learning and kid development yang very good lah.
Nampak progress dari 5 years to 6 years, especially mathematics. And thank you to all CIC matric teachers for the support and encouragement for my son.
Anak saya ada 4 orang dah yang telah belajar dekat CIC ni. CIC ni dia membantu anak-anak kita berfikir dengan lebih bijak lah. CIC ni memang saya promote lah untuk semua orang.
Saya nak ucapkan terima kasih banyak kepada CIC.
Thank you very much for all teacher, especially teacher Huda. Very understanding teacher.
Do you love CIC National Panjaya?
Yes.
How much you love?
10,000.
10,000.
He loves CIC, all enjoyable for him to come to CIC every day.
Thank you CIC.
Dan saya ucapkan terima kasih. Itu antara perkara yang saya amat utang budi dunia dan akhirat. Terima kasih banyak-banyak.